do a quick introduction. My name is Saul. It's a better name come from Better Call Saul. So today we're gonna talk about the protocol, which is a new protocol we in our project. It's called AMTP. Stand for Agent Message Transfer Protocol. This is, can you go? Oh, I go with this. Okay, our company is called Agentry. Why we are trying to make a new protocol? What exactly we are trying to do? Today, we use email a lot. Actually, that's one of the most important messaging system in the world, internet world. It was invented in 1982. It's called SMTP. But there are some limitations for this protocol. It's a plain text. Nowadays, we have all kind of data. We have all kind of AI. In order to let them to do more work for us, we need structured data. But plain text, it doesn't really work well. So this is a very traditional way how actually I use it. So someone send an email to me, and then I will open the box, inbox, to review my email. I will copy, paste to ChatGPT, help me to write a reply. I will copy and paste back to my email, and then send back to someone. That's my daily routine. I'm pretty sure someone doing the same thing like me. But the most stupid thing happen is, what if the other side it's the same way? This is not elegant. So this is not efficient at all. This is not what we want. What we want is like this. If there is an email and then I can review it, I have an AI agent who help me also review it, and then just send to other side. The other side, if some human would like to review it, go for it. If the other side is also an AI agent, wonderful. What a wonderful world, but unfortunately it's not there yet. So that's why we have a new protocol, allow us to have this elegant thing happen. So if we are in organization A, and regardless you are human or AI, you generate an email and start from the first domain and send to other side. The other side, you don't have to care. It could be just a traditional email and read by some human, but they never know you are agent or human, but that works. But also, if in your organization there are different people or different agents, when they message out to other side, it could be just a traditional way SMTP received by email, or it could be AI agent, or it could be more complex as a workflow, which is an AI agent work with a human together to make this happen. So that's exactly what we are trying to do. There is we designed this with two fundamental elements. The first thing is easy to implement. We want everything behind the scene. So people who currently using email, they don't see anything change. It's still using the same domain, same name, sending the same message, but behind the scene, everything it become a structured data. Everything become more reliable. Let's talk about easy to implement. The first thing, we build everything based on the existing internet infrastructure. So transmission layer, we still use HTTPS or some AI keys. On discover layer, we use the DNS and TXT. So it's still based on the regular domain name. And then what we actually invented is on the protocol layer. We define the structure and we come with a signature. So making sure no one really trying to steal your identity. So on top of that, it's a AI application layer. You can put your AI agent attached with this protocol. So your AI will always receive structured data. So message transmission reliability. If you guys know this, the current protocol SMTP is a synchronized protocol. It requires sender and the listener both sides to be online. But the protocol we are designed it's an asynchronous protocol. It can keep trying, retry, and at least once to send it out. So it's more reliable. Let's see how we started. So we already have this protocol published on the GitHub. So feel free to use the GitHub page to see the message format and schema. And also, you can use our existing code to download the gateway, how to set up the gateway. And then just configure the DNS on your gateway. We also have the Python SDK ready. So next page, I'm gonna show you guys a quick demo. Oops. So we have in this demo, we're gonna have a company A and a company B, both sides to have a talk to demo a use case. Basically, it's when people purchasing some stuff, but the supplier doesn't give us correct the quantity, and then AI directly change it and send the quote back. So all here, the payload, it's structured data. So AI could easily to understand what exactly need to be changed. Everything is demonstrated on Docker. So it just demonstrates entire protocol work as we expect. So right here, it's still set up the gateway. And then both company is ready to talk. And we have different steps. This is step one, sending out the message to say, we would like to request a quote. And this is step three. It requires the sender to change the quantity from 10 to 7. So this entire workflow is automatically happen behind the scene. So that's the entire demo. Thank you so much for you guys. If you guys have any question, let me know.
Obviously, there's going to have to be a lot of buy-in. Who is backing the AMTP protocol? Who do you have on board with it?
I can't see exactly name, but we are collaborate with some other AI companies together, like AI agent companies, working with a Fortune 500 company. So you can imagine if you just talk from AMTP to SMTP, which is traditional email, we do have it. It still communicates no problem, but it doesn't really gain the juicy of the structured data part. But if the organization large enough, let's say 100,000 people, internally conversation, they are gonna use the AMTP. Basically, they will experience the difference between SMTP and AMTP. So they will benefit by the structured data. We don't have revenue yet. We are still developing uh, the entire infrastructure with the company I just mentioned. Yeah. Sorry.
How do you manage the identity?
Yeah, can you repeat the question one more time?
So you touched a little bit on identity and the fact that you validate who is who. How do you prevent impersonation? But it's going to be open internet, right? So how do you prevent your agent from being impersonated by somebody else?
I have my technical guy to answer this question. Yeah.
Hi, my name is Kong. So to answer your question, so we use TRS certificate to establish the trust. So it's with TRS, it's impossible to impersonate the domain. However, people could still register a domain and register a certificate as well. But that's definitely a hard problem to solve.
Next.